Probably ignore this video as I'm just going to try and run through and find out what that problem is. A little bit of debugging online doesn't hurt to show. Right, so let's go back here. Let's figure out what's happening with show route choice. So if I just print choice there, so if I choose a route, it's going to tell me which choice I made. Save and run that and see what's happening. I'm going to copy that because I'm going to be using it a few times. Okay, that seems to work. This is why I mentioned earlier on the hits, is that you can quickly ramp up your hits. You're only allowed 1,000 a day, and in one day with your testing and your running, you can quickly ramp up the hits and exceed your limit. So you'll need to be careful. So let's do number 2. Okay, that seems to be working fine. Just going to run through them. Number 3 should take me to another one, that's fine. Number 4. Okay. So that didn't print out there. So I've got a one-off error somewhere. Okay, let's take a look at this. The running app is true while running app. While we're doing it, services, route data. No stops is true. We're going to complete looping through there. We're going to get the information. If it's empty, we're going to say there's no stops to display. Otherwise, we're going to say no stops is false. That's fine. We're going to print the stop info. Options, we're going to get the user options. Now, I got a feeling that my error may well be in that function. The choice is get the user's choice for the options. Although ugly, it seems to work fine. So let's take a look at a choice get options. So valid is false. Well, not valid. Do try. Get the choice, make the selection, we've got that working. Valid, the choice is greater than 0, less than or equal to options. We're passing in options. Please enter a choice, return choice. So the only other place it could be is in here. So assuming that we've got a one-off error, if I put count equals count plus 1, that should solve my problem. So let's try running it again. Postcode. Okay, make a selection to view the route, 0, nothing at all. Let's try 7, which isn't on the list. Okay, we're fine. Let's try 1, so we're going to get a route, and then it's going to ask us for a postcode again, which is what we want. We're going to enter a 2 this time, or if we get them up. 2. It's asking us for an address or a postcode. That's fine. So put the postcode in. Whoops. Then we're going to try the 3. I'm glad we haven't got 100 to play around with. There should be an easier way of doing this one. That's fine. Postcode. I'm going to try number 4. It should give us. Yeah, that seems fine. 5 should just ask us to enter a local address or postcode. There are no values to display. And 6. I'm not recalling that. Let's try the postcode. Six should exit the program. Okay, right, we're going to assume that we're all fine with it now, and we need to actually get on with finding the route and displaying the route. One final check over that this is all working nicely. So my apologies for that, but that's debugging. So it was just simply, or at the moment, just this value here where we didn't increment the count. Okay, so on to the next video.